కరూరులో టీవీకే ర్యాలీలో తొక్కిసలాటకు డీఎంకే ప్రభుత్వం వైఫల్యమే కారణమన్నారు బీజేపీ ఎంపీ అనురాగ్ ఠాకూర్. రాష్ట్ర ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఏం చేస్తోందని ప్రశ్నించారు. వేలాది మంది వచ్చే ర్యాలీకి సరైన భద్రత కల్పించలేదని విమర్శించారు. విజయ్ రాక ఆలస్యమైతే పోలీసులు ఎందుకు అప్రమత్తం కాలేదని ప్రశ్నించారు. 8 మంది సభ్యులు ఎన్డీఏ బీజేపీ ప్రతినిధి బృందంతో కలిసి కరూరుకు వెళ్లారు. తొక్కిసలాట జరిగిన ప్రాంతాన్ని పరిశీలించి బాధితులను పరామర్శించారు. దేశ రాజకీయ చరిత్రలో ఇలాంటి ఘటన జరగలేదన్నారు బీజేపీ ఎంపీ హేమమాలిని. దీనికి ఎవరు బాధ్యత వహిస్తారని ప్రశ్నించారు. విచారణ పారదర్శకంగా జరగాలని డిమాండ్ చేశారు బీజేపీ లీడర్లు.
First, express their condolences to the families who have lost their loved one, their family members. And we have visited the hospital also. We pray for the speedy recovery. We will be meeting the district officials after this. We have prepared a list of questions to ask them. All 8 MPs have signed this. We'll keep it. We'll hold it for you. That what are the questions we are going to ask. So we have few questions to ask the officials and the organizers. The truth is, the common men have lost their lives. Children, women, and the sole earner of bread for the families, they have lost their lives. And who's responsible for that? There should be a free and fair probe into this. We personally feel that a sitting Supreme Court judge must look into this. There should be a free and fair probe by the sitting Supreme Court judge and let the truth come out. What were the shortcomings at the end of the organizers? What was the fault of the officials in the state government? What led to this situation where fans, followers have lost their lives? When we reached the spot, looking at the shoes and slippers light there, we couldn't control ourselves. We were so emotional. What was administration doing? What was police department doing? What was organizers doing? There are a lot of question marks on all of them. The ruling party and the officials must answer this. And we have sought many answers from the officials, from the administration, and we want them to reply by this weekend, so that this committee should finalize the report at the earliest and submit it to the BJP National President.
We came to the hospital here to see the injured people also, and then they are better, they are recovering better and better. But it is very sad to see that 41 people died. Out of that, about 17 women died. And then small children also. There are small kids who are crazy to see the actor, so they went to see him. And this is what has happened. So this whole responsibility is whose? The administration or the organizers? So we have to find out. We want to know that. Vijay, I don't know about that, but he should have also seen when he is so popular, it is his responsibility to see that it doesn't invite many people. How much the security can give, that much only he should allow. He should have asked for that. And it seems he asked for a better place.